Hello, welcome to 1595 Colvin Boulevard in Tonawanda, New York. I'm Jennifer Getz with Keller Williams Real Estate and the Getz team, and I am your listing agent today. I'd love to show you this beautiful home. Look around at this open concept where everything has been touched from top to bottom. The home's been completely gutted. I love this gas fireplace. I mean, who doesn't love to just click on your fire and get nice and toasty? I love the kitchen space. It's a big, beautiful kitchen with an amazing island, granite countertops, and you have vaulted ceilings where the homeowners actually raised the roof to give you the ceiling height in here. You have a ledge up there for your decor, and it really makes for an interesting architectural feature. All right, come on through to the bedroom suites. To your left, you've got your smaller bedroom. It can be used as a den, a bedroom, an office. Cove lighting in here. There is surround sound throughout the house in all of the rooms. And you have some accent lighting for decor on it. Here is your guest bathroom. Very spacious, well appointed, and a stand-up shower. Right next to this first floor washer and dryer. Hi, I want to welcome you to the primary suite. I love the double doors. It gives such a spacious feel to this whole area. This is a fantastic primary ensuite. You have all of this space where you can have two sitting areas, a large king-size bed, walk-in closets, another wall closet over here, plenty of storage space. And then in your ensuite bathroom, you've got this beautiful solid surface walk-in shower with your glass door. And it has a really nice modern look in here with its appointments that goes really well with the mid-century modern style of the home. Follow me. Down here, you're going to have your door to the exterior, which leads to your backyard, which is the perfect size for easy maintenance. And you have a turnaround driveway in the back that will help you get in and out of your driveway without problem. But down here, we have a partially finished basement. So come on and take a look. To our left, we have an office. This is great. This is your perfect home to downsize to. You have everything you need in this home, and it's meticulously maintained. You have a cedar closet right here off your office, and another half bath down the hall. This is your storage area for your basement. This is a very large basement with plenty of storage. You can certainly extend your living space if you wanted a more finished space in the basement. However, this is excellent storage space for all of your needs. It comes all the way around over to this side of the home. You have poured concrete walls. Updated furnace and air conditioning. Hot water tank's brand new. We just put it in. And we're going to walk around right over here to come out to the finished space. So I also want to talk about the fantastic porch that we have on the front of this home. It is spacious. Who doesn't love to sit on a front porch? There are custom awnings for it. There are privacy awnings that go up in the spring that are included with the sale. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love this ranch style home that's going to be the perfect downsizing home for anyone who is looking for a beautifully maintained property that they literally can walk right into where you can live easy. Now remember, I'm Jennifer Getz with the Getz team at Keller Williams Real Estate in Western New York. We can help you all over Western New York, Buffalo, Tonawanda, Amherst, Clarence, Williamsville, East Aurora, Hamburg, Orchard Park, you name it. I'm only naming a few. We're there for you. You can contact me at 716-316-6664